Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video where we are going to check on Sony PlayStation DualShock 4 wireless controller version 2 with free Fortnite skin code. Take a total control of every game with the most intelligently designed controller Sony have ever created. It is available in range of colors and styles with textured grips and with innovative features that bring you closer to your games. It has refined analog sticks and responsive triggers to get the edge with a much tighter sense of control over in-game actions. It has integrated light bar to see even more of your games by glowing with various colors depending on in-game action, now visible on the touchpad. It has a USB battery charging to charge the controller's internal battery from your PS4 USB port, giving you hassle-free charging as you play. It has a stereo headset jack so that you can listen to your games in private and hear every boom, bang and blast with integrated 3.5mm audio jack for your headphones. It has a motion sensors to rock and roll as a highly sensitive built-in accelerometer and gyroscope detect the motion, tilt and rotation of your DualShock 4 wireless controller. It has a built-in speaker to bring your games to life and hear every detail with sound effects coming directly from your DualShock 4 wireless controller. This box had an exclusive Fortnite content which includes Epic Neo Versa outfit skin, Epic Neo Frenzy back blank and 500 V-Bucks. I will show you the special code through which you can claim the reward in a bit, but in the meantime don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to do not miss any future free Fortnite codes bundled into accessories I will be unboxing. Now let's unwrap the controller itself and we will test the buttons, the sticks, and let's do a little bit of ASMR to hear the sound of everything. So this is the content of the box of Sony PlayStation DualShock 4 wireless controller version 2 with free Fortnite skin code. I hope you guys liked it, and like I said, don't hesitate to drop like and subscribe to see more videos with free Fortnite codes in future.